It depends. It is our September dirty edition here with Built in Calgary team. It is just me, myself, and I. Dylan's off this afternoon showing properties, and Nicole is on vacation. So I want to chat a little bit about what's going on in the market, how things have been affected by COVID, what we can possibly expect for the fall here, and look at the 4 different styles of homes, the different price points and year-over-year performance. So without further ado, why don't we get into it here? I'm going to share a screen with you. Let's look at City of Calgary here. You know, long and short of it is the overall performance level of things in the last 8 months here. Not that big of a difference from last year's performance. Where we're really seeing things is our inventory levels. You know, last year this time we're at 7,200, and this year right now we're about 6,400. So we're down about just about 13% there. But so are our sales volumes right now. They're down about 12%, but not that far off pace. I mean, we had a really healthy August there at 1573, almost identical to September. And I think part of that was due to the pent-up demand, the loss of the most valuable months, March and April, you know, due to COVID there. So, you know, we're not that far off. Our months of supply is still hovering low, and I think that that's an interesting point because, you know, we are still in a recession here. And typically in recession, your supply levels will go up and your prices get suppressed. But we're just not really seeing that right now. We're seeing things on par for the course. So, you know, that's kind of an interesting thing. And then I think if we're looking at breaking things down into the segments of the marketplace there, you know, you've got your detached, your apartment, semi-detached, and row houses there. So, you know, probably no surprise here that the detached is the big performer here. You know, we've got our months of supply, you know, sitting at about 5.5 months right now. And that's probably one of your best performers. You know, the strong points of that marketplace is 300,000 to 600,000. In the apartment sector, you know, we've got months of supply. It's hovering, you know, a little bit high right now at well into the teens there. You know, the strong point of that marketplace is that 200 to 400. Where people are probably at a loss is that product that was probably in the 400s, 400 to 600 in 2014, 2015. So those would be tough to cash out on right now. If you're looking for an investment, I might steer you away from that. Probably better suited to put your money into a semi-detached where you could do a suite in the basement or a row house there. Lots of cash flowing row houses in the city right now. Maybe the time to be looking at something up by the university there, as people are a little bit discouraged just due to that first semester coming back. Semi-detached, working relatively strong right now. You know, your months of supply is about just hovering under 7 months there. You know, the strong parts of that market is at 2 to 525 price point. Calgary row houses, months of supply, relatively down right now. So that is another segment of the market to watch out for, primarily due to the affordability index of it. You know, big percentage of row houses are listed in that 200 to 400 range, and that is definitely the most popular range in terms of affordability, sellability, and investors in the marketplace right now. So that's kind of it in a nutshell. I mean, I can kind of give you a bit of a lowdown here if we were to look at, let's see here, market performers here. You know, if we looked at the total residential, you can see that the strongest point is between that, probably that 300 or actually even 250 to 550 range, and then you're getting diminishing returns on it. So those are the things to watch out for. If you want to know more about what my thoughts are coming into the fall here, You know, are we going to see a little bit more come on the market? My understanding is we're hearing rumors of an increase in divorces in the city. But be forewarned, typically we'll have one spouse buy out the other, and they'll stay, and then one is typically go rent for a while. So you probably will see a bit of an absorption in the rental market there, and that's a positive thing. And then a little bit of spinover or carryover with people buying that secondary home from, or that second home from that separation there. What else could I share with you? I think that's it. I want to make it short and sweet where I can. Enjoy a Labor Day weekend. And if you got any questions, as always, I know that we're not just Calgary realtors, we're born and raised. Enjoy the long weekend. Cheers.